Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the puzzle guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the egg puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Akaki. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to remove all pieces from the basket. This puzzle is a part of Akaki's Picnic Basket series. There are more than 10 different puzzles in this series. All puzzles look exactly the same. They have the same frame or the basket, but the pieces inside are completely different. They have different shape, different color, and the solution is completely different. Some puzzles from this series are extremely difficult, some are a little bit easier. The egg puzzle has 4 pieces inside the frame, and you have to figure out the way how to remove all of them. When you flip the puzzle upside down, you will find that you can grab this piece and do a little move, but you can't remove it. So you have to figure out the way how to remove not one piece but all of them. And these puzzles, the Akaki's Picnic basket puzzles, require at least one rotation, sometimes even more than one rotations to solve the puzzle. That's what makes these puzzles interesting and unique. If you like the egg puzzle and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the egg puzzle. So first of all, flip the puzzle upside down so that you can remove this piece. Move it to the right, and here in this corner rotate it 90 degrees and you will be able to remove it. As you can see, there is a piece that sticks down. That what doesn't allow you to remove it. When you rotate it, you can easily remove the piece. Next, you can grab this part, move it up, move one step this direction, and now do a rotation again to the right 90 degrees. Move the piece to the right and you can remove it from the frame. We have 2 pieces left inside. To remove the first one, move it up, rotate again, and remove from the frame, and we have only 1 piece left, which is quite easy to remove without even rotations. Just move it up and to the left, and that's how you solve this puzzle. To put everything back, oh wait a second, I will show you how this puzzle was assembled inside the frame. The pieces were assembled this way. As you can see, there is only 1 spot left uncovered and the rest are occupied by the pieces. So how to solve it back? You grab this piece, put it inside this way, then this part you put it inside like so, rotate it, then rotate it again and put it down. The next piece will be this one. You put it inside from this corner down, then you rotate it 90 degrees to the left and put it down, and we have only 1 piece left, which again we put in this corner, rotate 90 degrees, move to the left and down, and the puzzle is solved. That was the solution of the egg puzzle. As you can see, a lot of moves, a couple of rotations, quite a tricky one, not the most difficult from the series. There are much more difficult puzzles, but this one is still quite challenging to solve. If you enjoyed the egg puzzle and you want to try other puzzles from Akaki's Picnic Basket series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.